your arm. So near, Meme. Going up. Where do I start now?
Yeah.
Alright, first of all, you gotta get... Wait, do I put this... No, wait, what? Do I put this first? Typical cooker suffering. Okay. So you go and get your lamb. And then use a sifter to go squish. To get rid of all of the COE stuff. Alright, so you hold it one hand. You put this foot over here. Then you go again.
The sifter is there to take away the seed so that you don't have to do as much work.
Now some more. And more. By the way, we use 5 of the halves of these
Find those plants. Fruits, whatever you call them. My ears. Mine air. Pressure cooker, can you be a little bit more quiet? We're trying to record a video here.
I guess not. Alright, after you put all your mixture, all your very, very skewered, yes, this is skewered. Next, you want to put your salt, Abby. Next, you put a whole tablespoon. I'm kidding.
Okay, no, enough this one.
Oh no, need to cut more. Okay, we just put more salt. Maybe some salt.
Is that all the salt?
Enough salt, Mom?
Yes.
Okay, now more. Maybe just a little bit more. Just a tiny bit. No, wait. Just a little bit more, you know? Just a little bit, Mom. Just,
Okay, can you please
enough time.
squeeze this out?
you guys are no fun.
Yes.
Yes, submerge the salt in lime juice. I forgot this. Okay, I forgot the sifter. Oh god, that could have been very bad.
Yeah.
Don't forget your sifter, kids. They're useful.
Coriander.
I don't care what it's called. As long as it's used, I don't mind. Squish.
Just throw it like
Squish.
half.
Squish. First was full of it. And finally, squish. Alright. Oh no! Oh no!
Oh no, it's a salty sifter.
Okay. Alright. Second of all, you want to put 10 tablespoons of sugar. Make sure it's, I'm kidding. No, please don't. Please don't. That's improper measurements. Okay. So you want to put one tablespoon, Mom?
1 tablespoon sugar.
Alright, make sure you grab quite a bit. And dump them all in. And it'll dissolve just like the salt. I'll get drowned. Alright, now what? Olive oil.
Olive oil, 1 tablespoon.
We don't need measurement tools. We don't need them. Let's just eyeball it.
That's enough.
Let's eyeball it. Why not?
That looks like a tablespoon.
No, it looks like 2 to me. It looks half a tablespoon. Should I mix? Mom, do I mix it now?
His measurements are wrong.
Huh? How about we don't mix it? What would happen if you don't mix it?
You have a lump of salt and sugar in your vinaigrette.
This is what we call
Bloop.
Uh-oh.
Dun, dun, dun.
That wasn't me. That was the invisible man. He knocked my arm out of placement.
He dropped somehow.
Help.
It is in the face. Calls for mercy.
Why do you stir like that?
I didn't know.
You're spilling everything, Amika.
This is good content.
There's an ad like
This is actually good content, guys. Oh no.
flavor. Tastes a bit weird though.
Mom, we go in and
Why the oil everywhere?
what?
He didn't use measurements for the oil.
Is there enough oil or no? Doesn't look like
Alright,
it.
the sauce and put it inside and mix.
Listen to this.
Squish, yeah. Now taste it, king of spills.
Okay. So can I just eat from the? Can I just eat from the spoon?
No.
Yeah, sure.
But
Yeah. Good.
Recording? Okay, the point there. Done.
Extra sauce, please.
Okay.
Yeah.
Careful, I carry.
Minecraft.